Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am also good. So today is the day 7 of my spoken English challenge and today I am going to talk about the very important topic, that is how we can think in English. Many people can understand English, many people can read English, but when it's come to speak in English, they feel nervous and sometimes they got stuck. So the reason is what? First we try to think in our mother tongue and after that we try to translate into English. So this is the problem, and because of that we can't able to talk fastly, and sometimes we know the sentences but we think in our mother tongue first and after that we try to translate it in English, so we can't able to speak single line. So let's learn how we can think in English. So most of the people try to translate their every sentences from their own language to English. This take time and it creates confusion. Instead, we should train our mind to think in English directly. To think in English, we have to start with small sentences. Like whenever you are going to eat something, then just tell I am eating something. When you are going for the walk, then you tell I am walking. And after that, when you are feeling tired, then you tell I am feeling tired. Like that, in initial day, you try to tell some small sentences and try to improve daily. And after few days, you can able to tell the long sentences, and you can also observe that now I am thinking all the sentences directly in English, not in my mother tongue first and after that in English. This will not happen in one day. Just you have to stay consistent and try to talk to yourself in English. For example, what should I do next? I will complete my work. This will improve your thinking speed, and try to stop translating every sentence. If you don't know a word, then use simple word and keep it easy. I am also trying this method and I feel it is helping me. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to improve. That's all for today, guys. Try this method and share your experience. Let's see you in next video. Thank you for the watching video.